Hey everybody, welcome back to Ed and Heather's Kitchen. We're going to be doing another Instant Pot video here. This time it's barbacoa. Let's play with some food. Here's everything that we're going to be using. We have chuck, about 2 pounds of it. I've taken all the grizzle out. There's still some fat, but that's alright, that'll cook down. These nasty little guys here are 3 chipotles. We've got bowls of spices and onion. We have cumin, oregano, bay leaves, ground cloves, salt, and pepper. Over here we have some beef broth and a couple tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Okay, let me bring the pot up and we'll start cooking. We have everything set up. I'm going to turn this on, saute. You're going to see it turn on up here to warm, to heat up. Come on. You'll also hear it. There it is. It's going to heat up. I'll bring you back when it's hot and we'll start browning the meat. Alright, this thing's set and ready. Let's do some skizzling. Not going to cook all of it, just kind of cook it in batches. Now all we're doing here is browning it, giving it a nice color, nice flavor. And this is going to take a while, so I'll bring you back when we're ready to go with the next section. Welcome back. This meat is brown. This pot is spitting at me. They got a nice color to them. And yes, I can use the same plate that I was using because this is all going back in here. Alright, let's add some onions. That's 1 large onion minced. We're going to cook these for about 3 minutes. I'm sure you've seen onions cooked before, so I'll bring you back when they're ready. As you can see, the onions are ready. That's just where I want them. Now, this is garlic, minced garlic, cumin, and oregano. This is 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, depending on the size of the cloves. We're just going to cook these for a minute or so, not very long. Now the meat, I'd cook that, brown that in the olive oil. Okay, now here's some salt, some pepper, 3 bay leaves, the ground clove. This is the beef broth, lemon juice, or there's actually lime juice in here, about 1/4 cup, and the apple cider vinegar. I'm just going to use that to deglaze. I've forgotten to mention the vinegar, or not the vinegar, the lime juice. Quick deglaze job here. Also mixes everything up. Now, I'm going to go to Chipotles and the Adobo Sauce. Chipotles, they always look mean because of their color, but they're not. They really taste good. Mix this all up. We're still on saute. We're going to add the meat back. Plus any juices from the plate. Sorry about that, folks. Didn't mean to whack the camera. Wish y'all can smell this. This smells really good. Now we're going to pressure cook this for an hour. Put the juices back in. We're not going to waste those. Fit the lid on. Okay, over on the front here, we're going to cancel the saute. Going to hit the pressure cook. Turn off the keep warm. We're going to bring this up to 60 minutes or 1 hour. And we're going to check the valve, make sure the valve is in pressure. It is. Now this is going to come up to heat. You can see it turned on. It'll come up to heat, build up the pressure. Now look, this is anywhere from 10 to 11 psi at 239 to 244 degrees. Depends on the pot. I'll bring you back when this is ready. We're back. You can see the pin is dropped. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, yeah. It looks like I won't even have to shred, really. Let's see. I'll go. Nope. It's falling apart. Look at that. This will shred on its own. Let me grab my fork. No. Let's be kind. That is hot. Oh my. A little bit for the boss.
I'm cooling it down first.
Oh, okay. I really think that has a nice flavor. A little bit of a bite to it, not much. Really good flavor. I'm gonna stir this up so it kind of comes apart. Let it cool, package it up. We're gonna be bringing it into, well, I'm gonna be bringing it into work on Thanksgiving. We're having a potluck. They all wanted this. So, how's it taste?
Very good.
Excellent.
Spicy though, but good.
Okay, so everybody, and there you go with okay, so. I don't know when we'll be back. Not sure what we'll be cooking, but it'll be good. Until then, play with your food.